Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I go by the name of Fadelicious. Before we start this video, go right ahead and press that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you don't get to miss any of my video. As you guys can see, I'm in the middle of doing my makeup. I can finally do my makeup. Alright guys, so today I decided to do a vlog. Yeah, it's my holiday off. I literally have one day off in a week, and like normal people, they will rest, they'll stay home and relax and yeah, just catch up on sleep or whatever. But for me, it's like, it's that day I have to do something. Like I can't stay in bed the whole day. So I'm just gonna vlog my day today because I literally have a lot to do. I'm doing my makeup now. I'm going to meet up with my sister-in-law. We're going to Bromley, and yeah, I just decided to take you guys with me, and then I'm just gonna show you guys what I normally do on my day off. Well, some of the stuff that I do on my day off. So yeah, it's gonna be a busy day, but we got this. As you can see, I'm doing my makeup, and then after I'm gonna do my hair. I just washed it, and yeah. Alright guys, I just want to give a quick shout out to my girl Kenny too. She based all the way in the Netherlands, Holland, and she sent me this material. Guys, this material is so I don't even know how much more I can praise this material. It's so good, guys. As you all know, we're coming out of lockdown. There's gonna be a lot of celebration, there's gonna be a lot of wedding, there's gonna be a lot of whatever. This is the material you need. She's got different type, but this is the sample she sent me. And guys, I'm not even making this up. This material is so beautiful. It's so good. So if any of you going to a wedding, have an African event that you want to attend, and you're looking for a good material, all you need to do is contact me and I will do the connection. She do deliveries as well, and the prices are reasonable, so feel free to contact me. And yeah, let's support our girl. I'm all about supporting my friends, and it's a good business. I will not support you if I think it's not a good business, but this is actually a good business and it's a good material. And yeah, I can't wait to show you guys when this material is like ready. So yeah, feel free to contact me on my Insta, which is gonna be, the link is gonna be below, and yeah, and I'll make it happen. So yeah, shout out to my girl. You're doing your things though. What do you guys think of my ponytail? I just had it done. Long hair, don't care. Yes, I'm almost ready, guys. Almost there. Guys, I'm already hair done by me. Oh, I love it. Let me show you guys my outfit. What do you guys think of my outfit? Wait. So I'm ready to go out now, guys. So yeah, let's go. Let's go get the train. And yeah, Bromley, here we come. So I'm on my way to get the train. Guys, the weather is not playing. The weather is looking sweet. Yeah, I'm off to get my train. Let's get breakfast.
Yeah. Started.
Let's go get breakfast. Look.
Hey. Hi.
Breakfast.
Breakfast.
I'm so healthy. We're supposed to cross out. Yes, please. guys, so I just got back home from Bromley. My phone literally died, but I had an amazing time. So now I'm just gonna do a quick clean up because I had to clean the house and I had to cook and just get ready for the week because I'm gonna be working the whole week. So I'm just gonna make food that's gonna last us for like 5 days or 6 days, so that I'm gonna be working. Yeah, but yeah, I need to make food, I need to clean up. I have to be at the gym for 6:40 because that's when I have a session. So I'm just gonna hurry up because it's what time is it now? It's 5:30 now, so I've got an hour to literally clean up. But I don't think I'm gonna cook now, but I'm gonna get everything ready so when I get back from the gym, I'm just gonna cook. I'm ready to get to the gym. The reason why I have makeup on, I don't want to wipe it because I was out, but I don't normally do makeup to go to gym. But still, I was like, okay, I'm not even gonna wipe it, let me just look cute today in the gym. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, I am ready, so I'm just gonna clean up. I don't want to cook now because I don't want to go to the gym smelling like food, so it's best if I just prep everything, then when I get back home I am just gonna cook. So guys, I'm on my way to the gym. I know I said I was gonna be at the gym for 6:30, but it's 6:30 now and I'm just leaving my house. So yeah, I'm on my way to the gym. Gonna go sweat it out. So I just finished my hour session. Just gonna go home now and cook. Guys, I'm about to make meatball stew. Obviously this meatball are not homemade, it's just one of them cheat days that I'm not in the mood to like make anything fresh. I got them from Lidl. I hope they taste nice though, because it's actually my first time trying them, so hopefully they taste really good. My meatball stew is ready, and yeah, this is gonna be enough for us for like 6 days because we're not gonna be eating it every day, but till my next day off this should be enough for us. I've literally just finished cooking, so now I'm just gonna take a shower and go to bed because it's been a long day. Like my brain has been non-stop. I've been up since 8 o'clock and it's my day off. I should be resting, but I've been all over the place. Yes, so now p.m. I'll be at work and I'll be like, oh, tomorrow I'm off and I'm gonna rest and I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. But then when the day comes, like I literally want to do stuff. I feel like sometimes the way I was programmed, like God literally forget to put that tired. I feel like I have a button that you have to press. Like my friend normally say, I'll tell your boyfriend to just chin you up when you're off. But this is just me. And now I'm going to go back to work. I'm going to feel like really tired. But then I can handle it. So it's really been a fun day. And yeah, I'm about to sign out. I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. And you already know the vibe, guys. Like, comment and subscribe. If you get this far, like you watch all the way to the end and haven't subscribed, like seriously, come on now, what are you waiting for? Go on, press the subscribe button and also that notification bell. It's free, it doesn't cost a thing. So, and I'll see you on my next video.